Good afternoon. This week I'm going to be discussing soil and its importance in our environment and ecosystems. So soil, it um, provides the ground for, makes up about 95% of our food production. Um, we get it all, most of it from the ground. And we need our soil to be healthy and resilient in order to maintain our food supply and not fall into shortages and also rely on over processed food and make sure that people don't go hungry. So um, ways that we are beating up our soil is we overplow, we overfarm the same crops that require the same exact nutrients over and over again, which just eat up all the nutrients that are down underneath the soil. Another way is overgrazing with cattle. They'll eat and eat and eat until roots are pulled up, and roots, they make up most of what's necessary for the soil to remain intact. Without it, it would just turn to dirt, and the roots are what is holding everything together. Also, we do a lot of deforestation. I know a few arborists who go out and cut down trees who they claim, and I agree with, they claim they didn't need to be cut down in the first place. So yeah, we're beating ourselves up here with our food production, and it's going to make us rely more and more on over processed foods that don't come from the ground. It's becoming a major environmental concern, and we need to take better practices to make sure that our soil is good. Ways we can do that: we can do regenerative farming by planting more crops in the same place, as opposed to, say, planting tomatoes in the same spot over and over again, but switching up which vegetables or fruits you would like to produce. And by doing that, you end up with more food at different times of the year, seasonal. And because different plants and vegetables, they require different nutrients, and the soil will be in a lot better shape. There are a few organizations at work that help to maintain our soil, its integrity, and one that I had studied recently was called the National Soil Monitoring Program. And what they do is they study soil globally, and they take pH samples, and they're able to provide statistical data. And what that does is it lets us know the health of our soil, and how much longer we could sustain the crops that we rely on for our food supply. And if our food supply is at jeopardy, then I know that I get pretty angry whenever I'm hungry, so that can start a major crisis. So we need to maintain our soil integrity in order to keep our food supply up, and keep people happy and fed, and also get food out to those who are in need. So I know I barely even covered the base on our soil crisis, but our topsoil is deteriorating at a quicker rate than it should, and we need to just do a better job anyways.